Hello! Welcome to another video of Detailed Math Solutions. In this video, I'm going to write step by step how to simplify the algebraic expression displayed on the screen. To simplify each of these expressions, I need to follow 3 steps. The first step is to expand the first binomial square 3 plus x in parentheses squared by using the formula for binomial square a plus b in parentheses squared equals to a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. The second step is to expand 3 minus x in parentheses squared by using the formula a minus b in parentheses squared equals to a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. And finally, I need to add all like terms that have the same variable, which is raised to the same power. Next, I'm going to follow these 3 steps to simplify each expression. So in the first expression, 3 plus x in parentheses squared plus 3 minus x in parentheses squared, the 3 corresponds to the a in the formula, and the x corresponds to the b in the formula. Therefore, when I apply both formulas, it equals to 3 squared plus 2 times 3 times x plus x squared plus 3 squared minus 2 times 3 times x plus x squared. When I simplify further, this equals to 9 plus 6x plus x squared plus 9 minus 6x plus x squared. Lastly, I need to add all like terms. Like terms are 9 and 9, 6x and negative 6x, and then x squared and x squared. When I add them as pairs, I get 9 plus 9, 18. 6x and negative 6x are the same terms with opposite signs, therefore their sum equals to 0, or they cancel out. And then I have plus 2x squared. For the next expression, I simply need to continue using the same 3 steps to simplify it further. So this equals to, when I apply the formula for binomial square, 3 squared minus 2 times 3 times x plus x squared minus, now I need to put a parenthesis because there is a negative sign in front of the parentheses, and then apply the formula. So this is 3 squared plus 2 times 3 times x plus x squared, closing parenthesis. When I simplify further, this equals to 9 minus 6x plus x squared minus, and I'm going to leave the parenthesis for now, 9 plus 6x plus x squared. Now, as next step, I need to open the parenthesis. Because I have a negative sign in front of it, it's going to flip the sign of each term within the parenthesis. Because this is the same as multiplying negative 1 with each of these terms within the parentheses. This way, I get, I'm just going to rewrite this, 9 minus 6x plus x squared, and then flip the signs. Minus 9 minus 6x minus x squared. Lastly, I need to add all like terms. I have 9, negative 9, 6x, negative 6x and negative 6x, and then x squared and negative x squared. 9 and negative 9 cancel out, their sum equals to 0. Then I have negative 12x, and then I have x squared minus x squared. They're the same term with opposite sign, so they cancel out because their sum equals to 0. And this way, negative 12x is the final answer for this exercise. Thank you for watching. If you liked this video, please subscribe to my channel and click the like button. I'm thrilled that you joined me and look forward to sharing my other videos. Please click on any video displayed on the screen to see more detailed math solutions.